Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I didn't have any videos lined up to come out, so I think yesterday was missed, and I was like, well, let me get on here and just make a quick video. I'm halfway through my 22-day stay here at Visit Natural Detox in Lamai, island of Koh Samui. So I'm halfway through. There's actually a core cardio station training going on right now. I had to skip that. I'm having a little pain in my lower back, so I'll get that addressed with my massage later. But I decided to skip that just because it's a faster paced, and yeah, it is what it is. But I thought I would come on here and just make a really quick video and just give you kind of like like a halfway point, like how am I doing, how am I feeling, how is the resort, would I recommend the resort, and any other questions that I've seen anybody ask. I'm filming this out on my patio, and I turned the camera around so that you could see the lovely view behind me. That being said, I'm gonna be sweating, so bear with me on that. So I am halfway through I was here all last week, and I'm halfway through my second week. I'm here 3 weeks total, and I'm gonna tell you, I feel wonderful. I weighed myself yesterday morning, and I'm down 1.5 kilograms for the conversion is about 3 pounds, roughly, give or take. And while pounds is not my priority, it's the way that I feel in my clothes, the way that I feel in my body, even just like getting out of bed at my age is huge. And I know that the pounds will catch up with that. So how am I loving it? I am loving it. I actually love it. I would certainly come back here again. Would I do 3 weeks? I don't know. I'm not at the end of the 3 weeks. I know there's a lot of people that come here for 1 week and end up extending. I know that some people stay here for a month and just decide to just do a whole total life reset. So it's really just dependent on what you feel your needs are. But we eat vegan and vegetarian. I have not deviated from because I had the all-inclusive. I have eaten all of my meals here. The only thing that I have bought is maybe some fruit and maybe some nuts at 7-Eleven to have in my room. The staff is wonderful, and one of the reasons why I chose this over many other different stays is that this one just had such a variety. So I'll give you an example of like one of my days is you get up in the morning and there's a cardio activity first thing in the morning. It's usually most of the days of the week, it's some kind of hike somewhere, whether you're going to a waterfall, whether you're just going to a viewpoint. You'll start off with a hike, and then you come back and you have breakfast. And before lunch, there is a yoga session. And then in the afternoon, you have strength training. And then several evenings throughout the week, there might be like a meditation, a sound bath. Tonight, there's like a conscious breath work. So you're not going like all day from morning till night. You might have that a couple days of the week. But, I liked the fact that there was variety. I like the fact that there's, you can do some heavy duty. Some of the hikes are more intensive. They have the Muay Thai on Saturdays. Then you have the yoga, whether you choose to participate in that. And they have different styles every day. So if you have a preference of one or two over the other, you can go to those. You have the strength training, which doesn't matter whether you're a man or a woman, is important for health at all ages. And then just some of the meditation and just some of the quiet hours that you have. So it was a very well-rounded retreat. And that is why I chose it, was because I'm not just a yoga person. I didn't necessarily want to go in and do like a Biggest Loser, kill myself type of thing. And this one just had great balance. So I would give it a 5 out of 5 stars, and I'll do another review again when I'm all done. Let me see what else I can tell you. You do have options of just like an 8-day, 15-day, or 22-day, and you do have options to just for your accommodations and just the classes. Mine is the all-inclusive, and when you get the all-inclusive, it includes your 3 meals a day, coffee or tea, a smoothie or a fresh pressed juice, and then a coconut water for electrolytes. And you get that every single day of your stay. You also get 3 massages a week. You get a boat tour around the islands if you choose to take that, and then a day at the spa that has like a cold plunge pool, a sauna, a steam room. And so you do want to take into account, if you do the all-inclusive, I mean, and you stay a week, you're going to be busy if you want to do all of those things and take advantage of all of those things. I am here on my own choice. I am not in prison. I don't have to go to any classes. I can go to all the classes. I can take an entire day off and go visit around the island if I want. This is not a prison stay. You're not locked in here. It's non-judgment zone. It's for all levels. I am not intermediate or advanced. I don't consider myself a beginner. Consider myself not in very good shape. And even though I'm comfortable doing a lot of things, I'm still at a beginner level. So it's for all shapes and sizes and ages and all of that. Let's see, what else? It's been amazing. I'm here on my 2nd week now, so some people that were here last week are here with me this week still, and some people that were here last week are gone and new people came in. So I have met people from all over the world, and that's just another part of this experience, is that we have all kinds of people from all different countries, cultures, ages, and it's just amazing what you learn from each other, and then just kind of coming together. And yeah, it certainly has been an awesome experience. So I know one of the questions I got is what did I pay for this specific 22 days all-inclusive retreat? Spent no money except maybe some tipping, and then I went and got a pedicure outside of the center and some extra massages outside of the center. So what did this cost me? It was around $2,100 US, which averages out to be about $100 a day. That's for my stay, for my meals, for massages 3 times a week, all of the classes, the yoga, the strength training, the breath work sessions, and the activities during the day or in the morning, like the hikes and stuff if we need transport, that's included. So technically you could come here with just what you pay for the all-inclusive and not spend any other money. I booked it on a special where they did have a discounted rate for September and October. So if you decide you're going to come in February, which is, people want to get out of the cold and come to Thailand, then the rates could potentially be more if you're booking it farther in advance. I kind of booked it on the fly and I was price matching, and so it just worked out that I feel for what I've gotten, it was well worth the money that I paid, absolutely, especially compared to some of the other ones that I was looking at. I am a budget traveler. I am a minimalist living. So this is a splurge for me to spend $100 a day for 3 weeks. But as I said in my previous videos, this is an investment in my health, because what good is me having a bucket list of travel or having a certain amount of money put away to retire if I fall over because my health was not so great. I think that I've covered everything. If you watched my previous videos, you'll be able to see my accommodations. You'll be able to see what the resort looks like. Also, when you do the all-inclusive, you get a superior room. The superior room, I think I have the same basics that everyone has in the regular rooms, but I do have my own porch. I have my own hammock. So that's, just depending on how much you're gonna use it. If you're gonna get that included. Otherwise you'll see this building over here, more like hotel style. Another thing that I love about this is it's small. I think there's like about 20 of us or so. And there's last week we had more married couples. This week it's more solos. I think we have just one couple here this week. But it's small and you become like a family. You are sweating together, you are crying together, you're laughing together, you're eating together. So it's absolutely a fantastic experience. If you're looking for a Southeast Asia getaway and kind of just want to restart your health journey, your eating journey, your strength building journey, whatever it is, I would absolutely recommend visit naturaldetox.com. I will link it below. below. I didn't get this trip for free. I'm not getting any kickback. All I do on my travels for the most part is simply just share where I'm going, share my experience. Would I do this again? I absolutely could see myself coming back here based on affordability once or twice a year, to, maybe not the full 3 weeks, but just to come in and just kind of just create that routine and everything over again. And my final thoughts about all of this is that I really have learned that I really let myself go over the past few years. And, when you're older and people always say, what would you tell your younger self? And sometimes I think at the end of some of these videos, I will say, if I could tell myself, and I tell the youngsters here all the time, if I could tell my younger self, put a little bit more of an emphasis on your health when you're younger. I know that it's hard because, when you've got if you're married and you got the kids and you got the job and it's so much, but it takes a lot more work to get back into shape than to keep yourself in shape. So that's my words of wisdom today. These 3 weeks are not going to turn my life around completely and I'm going to be in a size 4, never expecting to be in a size 4, but it definitely will give you a fire under your butt and really, really help you in creating and craving some new habits that you've just gotten out of over time. I hope that I've covered all of your questions that you had about the resort. I will link it below. If you have additional questions about things that they offer here that maybe I have not covered, then certainly please ask them in the comment below and I will answer those. I'm kind of keeping track of some Q&A questions, and I'll just do a general Q&A from my travels over the last 30 days and the places that I've been, and I'll be putting that video together soon for you. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. If you like this video, give me some thumbs up there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll get more videos like this one, and you can see the different countries around Southeast Asia, what they have to offer, what they cost to live, and things like that. I'm so grateful to be able to have the opportunity to bring those to you. Take care, everybody, and have a great day. Bye.